morning. Today is April the 5th, 2009, and this is HurricaneCity.net with an update for your hurricane season of 2009. Well, the outlook for 2009 is not a good one for the Gulf of Mexico and the Gulf Coast from Louisiana to Alabama, which has a 70% chance of experiencing a tropical storm or hurricane this year. According to a Houston-based weather research meteorologist, the center's outlook forecasting for 2009 season has us at least 7 named storms, with 4 of these tropical storms intensifying into hurricanes. Last year, Hurricane Ike demonstrated that size matters when it comes to hurricanes. Like Ike had a Category 2 storm on the Safford-Simpson scale, but caused significant damage to offshore operations and structures along the upper Texas coast. Meteorologists at Weather Research Center researched past Gulf Coast hurricanes and developed a new hurricane damage potential scale that takes into account the size of the hurricane. This scale will be used operationally during the 2009 season to give offshore operations a better estimate of the type of hurricane that will be threatening the Gulf this year. The scale is called the Freeman Hurricane Damage Potential Scale, or Freeman HDP. Hurricanes such as Ike, Rita, Katrina, and Ivan would have all been 5s on this Freeman HDP scale. According to the outlook forecast for 2009, we are calling for 7 hurricane days, 47 tropical storm days, and there have been 2 years in this phase of 1890 and 1914 with only 1 tropical cyclone. So hopefully we will have a quieter season. It's not the number of cyclones that's important, rather than which one will make landfall. For example, there were only 6 named storms in 1965, but Hurricane Betsy made landfall in New Orleans as a Cat 3 hurricane. There have been 2 years in this phase with 11 named storms, and 1 year with as many as 12 named storms. 2009 forecasts in percentages look like this: Mexico 40%, Texas 40%, Louisiana to Alabama 70%, West Florida 60%, East Florida 30%, Georgia to North Carolina is 50%, East Coast of the U.S. 30%, and the Gulf oil rigs 90%. And the other predictions for 2009, we're looking at 7 named storms. Number intensifying into hurricanes will be 4, and number of hurricane days 7. The number of tropical storm days 47. And landfall hurricanes is 3, and Cat 3 or greater in the Atlantic is 50%. So we're looking at slightly above average for the hurricane season of 2009, and it looks like the focus will be into the Gulf of Mexico this year. This is HurricaneCity.net with your update of hurricane predictions for 2009.